Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Keep laundry under the bed in shallow containers. Build your vertical space. Buy stackable containers or a tall armoire and take your storage up to the ceiling. You can even put storage on top of an armoire.
Take our lead.
For instance, popular laundry room paint colors liven up your laundry area. Incorporate dynamic citrus tones like lime green, yellow, or orange. On the other hand, a fresh, brilliant white is another clean alternative that makes the room and your disposition feel amazing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The portable washing machine. You're not going to get a full load of laundry into a portable washing machine, but it will do the trick when it comes to giving you in-unit laundry when you don't have washer-dryer hookups. Because they're easy to move, you can store portable washers somewhere else between laundry loads.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
7 stylish ways to dry your laundry in a small apartment. Go for a wall-mounted folding rack. Unfold it out when you're drying. Fold it back in when you're done. Install invisible drawer dryers. Hang laundry rods. Opt for a ceiling-mounted pulley rack. Put up a retractable accordion rack. Create pull-out vertical racks. Invest in a tumble dryer.
Take our lead.
Can I stack my washing machine on top of a dryer? No, you can only stack a dryer on top. Washing machines are too heavy, especially when full of water and wet clothes. They also vibrate more during operation as their spin speeds are higher, increasing the risk of accidents if stacked.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.